guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making tiropitas. Now pita in Greek means pie, and that is exactly what we're making today. Crispy little cheese pie triangles. These are jam-packed full of feta cheese and wrapped in a buttery, crispy phyllo dough. They only take a few ingredients to make and the results are phenomenal. Let's get started. To prepare these tiropita cheese triangles, it's so simple. I'm adding to my bowl 3 eggs along with some cottage cheese and some freshly crumbled feta cheese. I love the light and airy taste of the cottage cheese, but these tiropitas can be made using ricotta cheese or simply just the feta. Give everything a good mix, and for those of you who are new to my channel, I post new videos every other day, so be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out. Now here I have a half a pound of phyllo dough. You can find this in the freezer section of your grocery store, and you want to fully defrost this phyllo and unwrap it at the moment that you're about to start assembling these little pies. Cut it into 3 strips and take 2 strips at a time. You want to brush the top of it with some melted butter or olive oil and add a spoonful of the cheese mixture down on the beginning of each strip. Fold the corner of the strip to the side, and you want to keep it in a triangle shape as you fold up the cheese mixture. They don't need to be perfect, and this could be done as a whole pie in a sheet pan. If you guys haven't checked out my other phyllo dough recipes, I'll leave a link down below in the description box. Now once these are all finished, I'm going to brush them one last time with some melted butter. And I'm gonna make sure that they're all covered to get that nice golden brown crispiness as they bake. As you can see, these are on a parchment lined baking sheet, and I'm gonna pop these into the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and this oven was preheated prior to putting them in. They will puff up slightly, and like I said, will get all crispy and delicious all over. Once they're ready, serve them while they're warm as an appetizer or even for breakfast like they do in Greece. And your first bite will be heavenly as you taste the saltiness of the feta and the crispy, rich, buttery taste. These are just so delicious.